Welcome to episode of Dance TV. This is Dance for Italy right on the video, and today we are unboxing today's package. We have a Detangler brush from Sassoon hairbrush. They've been making these types of hair care tools since 1996, and I got one of the Detangler brushes, and it came with clips and an afro pick. But what I really want is the hairbrush. So I can show you the box, and then I'm going to open it up. Alright, so let's just start with these. These are the hair clips. I never used these kind of hair clips before. I guess when you're like blow drying your hair, you use it to clip your hair. And they have a design where you can flip this part, and it'll like stay in place and stuff like that. So these are pretty good. Next, there is this afro pick. 9 times out of 10 I might give this to my little brother, because I don't really have like an afro per se, and 9 times out of 10 I'll probably give my little brother, or I'll use it. I don't know what this is. Maybe in the comment section you can tell me what this is and what it is for, but I have no idea what this does. And then last but not least, we have the Detangler brush itself. I actually used it for my wig. It's pretty good. I love how the combs are set up. They are nice and spread apart. What was that? What are these flakes? Hold on. Where do these flakes come from? I think maybe from when I use the filter spray, because when I did like that, flakes came out. I don't know. But yeah, this could be easily cleaned, so I'm not really too worried about that. Because when I first got it, it didn't have this situation. So maybe when I finished the style spray, it left those dry flakes. All you gotta do is just probably put this in some hot water and it'll come out. But yeah, this is a 10 out of 10. I would definitely recommend using this, especially if you want to blow dry your hair. I absolutely love the box that it came in. I'll show you the box again. Just so you guys can see. Really nice in the box. It's nice and sleek, and it fits perfectly. But I'll be using this really soon. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And share the video and share cool stuff. Click the notification bell so you know if I upload my videos. And check out my most recent video. It'll be about my nail journey. So go ahead and check that out. And I will see you all next time. Bye!